Hi guys, so it's time for the BarkBox. So let's see if this camera angle is better because I can't get the dogs in the camera. So again, it's just one tape across the top. Watch out! I'm playing with scissors here.
So you pull it out. Oh, you want to use it.
Opening it up. Ooh. It is Do the Mutster Mash. Chi-mwa-ha-ha-ha, like a chihuahua. Vampirines. So this is definitely the Halloween box. That is for sure. It's a Halloween box. Oh, let's see. This doesn't tell me what's in here this time. We relaunched BarkShop.com. More toys, more treats. So they have changed the format, and this does not tell me what is in this box. It says, what's in the box? Our pup and human testers have been hard at work assembling this box. To fetch more info about what you received this month, visit BarkBox.com/mybarkbox. So I really liked getting the pamphlet that said how much everything was, what it was called. So I am not a fan of this. I like to know how much it costs when I open it. Alright, so first we have a Squeaky Skull dog toy. Size medium to large dogs. So this is just a skull toy. I don't think it's anything special. And I don't know how much it's worth. Seriously. I love getting the prices of the products. Now I have to actually do work to find out the price. Sometimes they don't like this high pitch of a squeak. I don't know if they'll play with this toy. They have a steak that sounds like that, and they don't like it. Alright, next we have Butcher's Block Bones, 100% source of glucosamine and chondroitin. Not for human consumption. Do not use on carpets. It does not say what this is, but it looks like a trachea or something. It's got a hole and it is a tube. So it looks like a trachea or something, but like I said, it doesn't tell me on the packet anymore. Then we have this Rattling Ricky. Just a second. You don't need to push your brother. So this is Made with Row by Barkmaid, Rattling Ricky. That's it. It doesn't say. Did I break it? So it's obviously a bat. There is something inside of this ball. And it feels like plastic of a water bottle shaped into a ball. I don't know. And the wings are crinkling. Alright, now into the treats, which is what they're really waiting for. So first we have Grandma Bowser's vitamin-enriched dog treats for very good dogs. It's like a granola bar for dogs. It is pumpkin pie with sweet autumn apples. So, you guys want one? That did not open at all. Hold on, I'm getting it. It's not opening. Sheesh. They're kind of like cookies, but I don't know. Ready for more? Sorry, you didn't see them eating it. Shadow took off. This is Healthy Dogma Bacon Barkers. And they just like little they look like little O cookies. This is the same tin like we had for the carnival, like a little popcorn tin. And these are just little O's. And they're cookies. They're supposed to be bacon flavored, I guess. So anyway. Well, that is the BarkBox. Stick around. I got some julep and some Listia mail to open, but this is already 10 minutes, and it's just for dog lovers. So, oh, and they do have shirts on. Shadow has a camo. He's got a camo sweater on because he gets really cold. And Cinnamon also has a camo sweater on, but his is orange and green. So those are my two little babies. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.